Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these peanut butter and chocolate chip cookies. Let's begin. To start on the cookies, you'll want to get yourself a mixing bowl and place in the butter, peanut butter, light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar. Then you can mix it on a low speed to start, working your way up to a medium high, and once it's all combined you can then add in your egg and give that all a good mix until everything is fully incorporated. Once everything is fully incorporated, you can then give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Once you've done that, you can then start adding your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first to remove any lumps that may have built up in the dry mixture. And don't forget to add in your chocolate chips and your peanut butter chips, and then fold this in by hand. You will want to mix until your dough is clear, meaning you can't see a trace of a single ingredient. So for each cookie you'll want to take 2 scoops of cookie dough, flattening them both slightly and filling the one side with peanut butter and then placing the other on top just to seal it all in, then rolling it into a ball and placing it onto your baking tray, and repeat this until you have around 6 on your tray. You may be able to get more or less on your tray depending on the size of your tray. I'm just using a standard size baking tray as these do spread when they bake. So to help the cookies bake more round, I flatten the cookies and then get a cookie cutter and round it off, so when it spreads out more round and they look more store-bought, but this is again completely optional, but it's something I like to do. Bake them off, and then once they're done you'll want to take them out the oven and straight away, without burning yourself, start to place the peanut butter chips and the chocolate chips on top of the cookie in a formation which suits you. I use more of the chocolate chips than the peanut butter chips, but feel free to work out whichever way works best for you. So here are what the cookies look like once they have been finished. You will want to allow them to cool for a couple of minutes on the baking tray before you transfer them onto a cooling rack. And to do that you just want to get a cranked palette knife or a general palette knife and just slide it under and transfer the cookies onto a cooling rack to cool completely, although you can enjoy them warm. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again in 2 days time with the final few installments of Bakemas 2019. I can't believe how quickly it's gone this year, and I can't believe how quickly Bakemas 2019 has gone. So until next time, don't forget to check out the links in the description, as there'll be a link to my blog which will have all the recipes up, and my social medias where you can see what I'm posting. And until next time, bye guys.